Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable your DJI ROMO to take pictures of obstacles so you can later see them. Okay, so when you enable that function, it will take pictures of obstacles so you can later view them and, for example, based on that, change your your obstacle avoidance preference. For example, if you think that it avoids too many obstacles and that you don't really need to avoid so many, and for example just a few bigger ones, just a few more important obstacles, then you can go to settings and go to obstacle avoidance settings, enable obstacle on-site photo, and it will collect and display obstacle photos. And when it's enabled, then you can later on decide, for example, to change the obstacle avoidance settings from standard to cleaning priority, or from obstacle avoidance priorities to standard. You can mess around with that, and that may be pretty helpful. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.